Now we will see how to set the cutting tool in tool post. Here our raw material is fixed in self-centered chuck. So job's imaginary axis and chuck's imaginary axis is in the same line. And to start cut, to have cut, our tool should be at the height of that imaginary axis. If our tool is below the axis, the cut may take place. Your tool will scratch the job, but the cut will not be smooth. And if your tool point is above the axis of chuck or above the axis of job, the projected point will not touch to the job, and the below part of that cutting tool from the cutting point will touch the job and cut will not take place again. So it has to be at the height of the imaginary axis. This point of the dead center is exactly at the height of the imaginary axis of chuck, or it is exactly matching to the center of the chuck. So we will use this point as a reference to set the tool in the tool post. The cutting tool using the square head bolt. We'll fasten it into the tool post. Then the point, the stationary point, it is slightly below point. Yeah, you can see it is much at the lower side of that point. Some packing and adjust the height. Projected point at upward direction. Square head bolt, the height of the cutting point, projected point. Yeah, it is almost match with the point. I have cut on face of the job. See, plain face is generated, no metal at the center of the job remaining. See how good finish you are getting, how smoothly the facing cut is going on. इस फिक्स स्टेशनरी पॉइंट के साथ टूल की हाइट मैच करने के वक्त आपका जजमेंट अगर गलत हो जाता है, और इफ़ योर टूल इज़ नॉट एट द हाइट ऑफ द सेंटर ऑफ जॉब और एक्सिस ऑफ chuck, what will happen? We'll see. Deliberately disturbing the height setting of the tool. Now let's see. We have increased the height of cutting tool, the projector point of cutting tool. Now see, taking place, but is not as smooth as previous one. Again cut kar. We are taking one more cut. The point is not, that pin point is not getting cut. It is remaining as it is over there. You can see. Adjust the height again and see. Or we'll reduce the height, fix the tool again. So the point is removed after the setting. The reference we have taken from this fixed point for the tool height is not perfect, but still your tool is very much near to the center. If the point is remaining at the center of the job, you can adjust the tool height after taking one facing cut as well.